Okay, this is just show you the installation order of the slippery washers. This is an old product, believe it or not, for previous Yamaha models. It's been adapted to the RMAX from UTV Engineering. Thing that you want to go on first is, and this is a prototype so it's not coated, you want to put this washer, there's two carbon fiber washers. The one that's thinner in inner and outer diameter goes on first. Okay, and if you want to apply tink seal to both sides, that's fine. Now I've removed my O-rings to make this easier. Then goes on your spring cup. Okay, then your spring, then your stainless steel washer, and then the fatter washer, fatter this way, and then your spring retaining cup, and that's it. So reverse order. Okay, so the only mistakes you can make is trying to put this stainless steel shim in here and it won't fit. So you can't screw that up. I guess you could screw this up putting it down here, but it's not the right size. And then this fatter washer isn't going to fit down there. So you really can't screw this up other than the order of these two. Stainless steel always goes against the spring, and then your carbon fiber washer goes between that and the spring retaining cup. So that helps. So just to go over the slippery washer install, your largest diameter, outer diameter shim goes on first between the sheave and the spring cup. And then you install your spring cup, install your spring, and then your stainless washer goes on top of the spring, and then the fattest washer goes on top, and then your spring retaining cup. Make sure you get it centered. It's hard to do with one-handed.